Thank you to the generation of incredible women who shaped our world during World War I. We see you. 100 years ago. It's the First World War and there you are, marching for the right to have a job and to vote. Thanks for that. You really started something. Thank you, Dorothy Lawrence, wannabe journalist. You dress as a male soldier and sneak over the border just for the story. Thank you, Lily Parr, 6 foot tall, star footballer, scoring 1,000 goals. After the war, they tried to stop you playing. Ha! Wish you could be there at the Women's World Cup. To all of the women working the land, cracking idea to swap skirts for trousers. Thanks for planting that one. I salute you, Flora Sands, first female soldier, making it all the way up to Sergeant Major without a single kickboxing class. Thank you to each and every mother and daughter turned railway greaser, factory worker, road cleaner, bricklayer, and Lily Scales, living on rations, taking refugees and the injured into your home, healing mental war wounds. Thank you to all of the women who fought for peace. And Edith Cavell, the nurse who cared for soldiers from both sides, shot for helping people escape. Thank you, ladies, for 100 years of girl power. Please share this video by tagging ThankYou100. Do something big or small to say thank you. The Royal British Legion.